Welcome to El Canijo Travel. Once again I bring you a magical tourist destination from my beautiful Costa Rica. I hope it will be useful for your vacations. Pura Vida. Nacascolo Beach, located on the Pacific coast of Costa Rica, is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country due to its natural beauty and the many activities it offers. To access Nacascolo Beach from the Four Seasons Hotel, guests must go through a security gate and walk down a path that leads to the beach. On the beach, hotel guests have access to exclusive beach chairs and umbrellas for their use. Here are some reasons why you should consider visiting Nacascolo Beach in Costa Rica. Natural beauty. Nacascolo Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches in Costa Rica, surrounded by green hills and crystal clear waters. It is an ideal place to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the country. Exciting activities. At Nacascolo Beach there are many exciting activities that you can enjoy, such as surfing, paddleboarding, kayaking, snorkeling, and boat excursions to observe marine life. There are also options for those who prefer to explore the land, such as hiking trails and horseback riding. Delicious food. Costa Rica is known for its delicious food and Nacascolo Beach is no exception. There are many restaurants and bars along the beach serving typical regional dishes such as fresh fish and shellfish. There are also options for those looking for international food, such as pizzas and burgers. Four Seasons Hotel offers private access to the beach. In summary, Nacascolo Beach is an essential tourist destination in Costa Rica, with its impressive views and a wide variety of activities to enjoy. If you are looking for a place where you can relax on the beach, do water sports and enjoy delicious local food, then Nacascolo Beach is the perfect place for you. I hope you enjoy your next vacation at this beautiful beach in Costa Rica. If you need help about vacations, please contact me. www.elconjablog.com